breeding, what you need to know. In the United States alone, there are an amazing number of cats. Spaying your cat is recommended by almost all specialists instead of breeding it. Many individuals want to get kittens from their cats despite warnings from specialists against doing so. There are a few things to consider before you decide to breed your cat. First, you should realize that breeding cats are a slow process. Daily cleaning of the area after the birth of the litter is required for the next 2 months. You'll also need to keep an eye on the kittens to see how they're progressing. You won't have much spare time if you want to produce a litter of cats. If you plan on breeding them, cats need a lot of room to roam about in. You shouldn't try to breed cats in a tiny apartment. It is not healthy for the kittens to be kept in isolation, so make sure everyone in the household is on board with the plan. Kittens have a natural curiosity and will likely explore every room in your house. There is a certain amount of duty that comes with breeding cats. If you don't want to retain all of the kittens, you should have a backup plan for finding them homes. It's important to have an open mind. When a kitten is born, a person who previously expressed interest in acquiring a cat may no longer feel the same way. You'll need to make a decision on whether or not to take in a homeless kitten. Learning is also important when it comes to breeding. You need to be ready for the delivery itself as well as for any complications that may arise throughout the pregnancy. You need to be ready for everything, from delivering early to severing umbilical cords. In case a C-section becomes necessary, you should also be prepared with the right tools and knowledge. If you plan on breeding your cats, it is essential that you understand what is best to feed a pregnant cat. Kittens are quite expensive and will add significantly to the expense of breeding. Not only is food pricey, but so are visits to the vet. You might not have to go to the vet at all during your pregnancy, but you will still need medicine to get rid of worms and get immunized. In a nutshell, there is a great deal of complexity involved in breeding. If you're dead set on having a family, you should prepare yourself mentally and practically well in advance. Prepare for the worst and always be ready to handle anything that comes up in the breeding process.